Welcome to this course. The course is Research Methods in Education 2, and I'm excited to meet you in this course. I'm your course lecturer, Dr. Wambeye Marakian. This is an exciting course. It will teach you how to analyze data, collect, analyze, and then be able to present the data. It's an exciting course because as you sit in it, you'll enjoy, and everything that comes, you'll be able to enjoy. In this course, there are expectations which as a student, you are supposed to attain them at the end of the course. And the expectation number one, which you as a student you're supposed to attain is 1. Describe the basic statistics and their use in education research. Expectation number 2 is examine relationship between and among different types of variables of research study. Expectation number 3 is describe the essential characteristics of a set of data by representing in a tabular and graphical form and computing relevant measures of average and measures of variation. As we will see in the course, please, you will see how beautiful it is and how wonderful it is. Number 4, demonstrate the competence in the use of statistical package for analysis of data. Also, in this course, there are several topics we are going to cover. There are about 5 topics, and all of them are exciting topics. Topic number 1 we are going to cover in this course is foundations of educational research. And in this foundation of educational research, we have 2 subtopics. The first one is principles and procedures in educational research. This one will give us an overview of scientific methods of research, research ethics, and the steps in the research processes. Number 2 subtopic we are going to look at is research report writing. You are going to learn the art of writing the reports, organizing, designing, presenting a formal report. Very important that when you come out of this course, you have this knowledge, you'll be called in seminars and various other places to do this work. Topic number 2, data management and measurement. In data management and measurement, we have several subtopics. The first subtopic is measurement theory. This will enable us to understand measurement scales and therefore nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio scales used in research. Subtopic number 2 is data preparation. In this subtopic, we will look at the techniques of organizing and preparing raw data for analysis. Here, I know you are going to be keen because it's an exciting, we have studied exciting moments there. Topic number 3, descriptive statistics. In the descriptive statistics, we are going to look at 2 subtopics. The first one is central tendency. We will be calculating and interpreting the measures of central tendency, which include mean, median, and mode. Also, there is another part of subtopic in this It's called variability. We will be calculating and interpreting the measures of dispersion. And in this, we will look at range, variance, and standard deviation. Putting all this together will be exciting moments because we will be able to interpret the data using this. Then we move to our topic number 4, the inferential statistics. We will be learning about how to examine the relationships. Now, these relationships are examined using statistics in this topic. And the first statistic we are going to use is, in correlation analysis, is Spearman rank correlation. Spearman rank correlation. This one measures the relationship between ranked variables. Also, we will be looking at the characteristics. We will be looking at how we are going to be calculating them. The second method we are going to use in correlation analysis is Pearson product moment calculation. This measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two continuous variables. And also we will do the prediction analysis. In the prediction analysis, we are going to use symbol regression analysis, where we are going to be using one variable to predict the outcome of the other variable. Here, we will be looking at the independent variables and dependent variables and how the independent variable predicts the outcome variable, which is the dependent variable. And also, in this topic, we will be able to look at the test for independence. Test for independence, we are going to look at the association, and the tests we are going to use here is chi-square test. In this one, we'll be analyzing the relation between two categorical variables. Because it's going to be amazing. It's going to be wonderful. Because this is all about measuring and seeing how variables in research are related. Topic number 5, which is our last topic. We will be looking at computational tools and the interpretation of data. The first subtopic we're going to look at is a software application. In software application, in this top subtopic, we will be looking at the practical application of the SPSS, Statistical Package for Social Sciences. That's the meaning of SPSS. And we are going to use this tool to analyze data. And I want to encourage each one of us in the class to at least have a laptop or accessible to a computer where this program is installed. We are going to make some arrangements in the class to have it so that everybody will have the program installed and be able to start using it practically. This is going to be a practical part of our study, and each one of us will be able to use this part of the program to analyze data. We are going to have data sent to us in the class, and we are going to be analyzing this data using what we have already talked about. Number 2, we will be dealing with that interpretation, the techniques of analyzing data and making meaning from the quantitative statistical output. It's going to be an amazing course, and I want you to be patient all the time so that we'll be able to get everything from this course. How are we going to deliver this course? This course will be delivered through lectures and tutorials. And our lectures will be online, and also our tutorials will be online. We'll also do group discussion online. We'll also do individual assignment. We are going to do the assignment from the beginning. We're also going to do individual and group presentation. And also we are encouraged to participate in discussion forum and also in seminars. very glad, very excited to have you as a class. Please make use of every minute, every hour in this lecture, so that you'll be able to develop your prowess, develop your competence in analyzing data, in knowing how to run with data, because we are living in a world where the trends need to be analyzed, where education trends needs to be analyzed, and from the trends we get to come out with solutions which our education systems in the world require. Thank you very much, and I will be glad that as you use every other minute, every hour in this class, it's not going to be a waste, but it's going to be meaningful, and you're going to get a lot out of this. Thank you. God bless you, even as we meet in the next class.